Students, in today's class, we will discuss from 10 digit numbers, okay? So let us see. This is in your page number 73. This is 4th standard, no? 4th standard, large numbers, page number 73. In previous class, we have completed up to 9 digit numbers, okay? In today's class, from today, we will continue from what? 10 digit numbers. 10 digit numbers. Okay. This is the 10 digit numbers. So, what I have said to write the tabular form up to 9 digit numbers. From 5 to 9 digit numbers, smallest number and greatest number, no? Have you written that? You have to definitely write that, okay? Because it is very important for you. You can revise very quickly if you forgot something, okay? So here in 10 digit numbers, what he is saying, on adding 1 to the greatest 9 digit number. What is the greatest 9 digit number? 99 crores, 99 lakh, 99,999. This is the greatest what? 9 digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. What he is saying, if you are adding this to the greatest 9 digit number, what we are adding, if you are adding 1 to the greatest 9 digit number is this one, 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. If you are adding 1 to that, what you will get? After 99, what you will get? 100, no? So like that also you can write if you are perfect with understanding, or else let us add this in the conventional form. 9 plus 1, 10. 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 Here 9 plus 1, 10. So let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 9 digit number, greatest 9 digit number, what you will get? You will get 10 digit numbers, no? So we are talking about 10 digit numbers only. So this is what? Let us divide. These are thousands place. This is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Thousands. This is 10,000s. This is lakhs. This is 10 lakhs. This is crores. This is 10 crores. Next, what you will get? You will get 100 crore. This is the 100 crores place. Okay. We will call this number as 100 crores. Okay. We will call this number what we got just now, that is a 10 digit number. So we call this as 100 crores. So let us look that number in Indian place value chart. So let us see that given number, what we got 100 crores, no? So that is a 10 digit number. I will not say the name. We shall see what we call that in Indian place value chart, how we will represent it and what is the name. In international place value chart, how we will represent that number and what is its name. Indian place value chart, okay? And here let us see international place value chart. Okay, let us see how we will represent it. How to represent, I said before only, for Indian and international place value system. So once again, if you are getting confused, see the previous video, then you will get to understand. What is that? That is a 10 digit number, no? So this is a 10 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit number. So how we will represent this, how we will put commas, let us see. I said before only, after first 3 digits put 1 comma, then after you have to continue putting comma after next 2 digits, successive 2 digits. So this is the first step. First step only you have to put comma after 3 digits from right to left. Then you have to put after every 2 digit only, not every 3 digit. First only you have to put after 3 digits. Next all 2 digits only you have to put 1 comma after that. Okay, here after 2 digits 1 comma, here again, here. Okay, so this is how we will represent in which system, that is in conventionally we will do like this now. What I said before, for every 3, after every 3 digits we will put 1 comma in Indian place value chart. After again 2 digits we will put comma, again 2 digits we will put 1 comma, again 2 digits we will put 1 comma. But here wantedly I did this because here there is a small change again. So till lakhs it will be like this only. First 3 digits put 1 comma, next 2 digits 2 digits. It will be applicable up to which one? Up to lakhs. Up to lakhs only it is applicable. But coming to crores, you have to put comma after 3 digits. Okay, so first 3 digits I have put 1 comma, then here comma, then I have left 3 digits here. Okay, so this 3 digits comes under crores. This is 1 crore, 10 crores, 100 crores. This 3 we have to leave here. This is the important point. For this only, for this 10 digit number only, the conventional what is that conventional arrangement of commas will change for this number only. From this number only, the conventional arrangement, first 3 digits put 1 comma, then next 2 digits, next 2 digits. It will be applicable up to lakhs only. For crores again the putting comma will be changed. Okay, so that one you have to remember. I said before, what, first 3 digits you have to put 1 comma, then next 2 digits you have to put 1 comma, next 2 digits we have to put 1 comma. Like that it is applicable only up to lakhs. Remember this one, only up to 10 lakhs only it is applicable. Means here also up to 10 crores also it is applicable. Here also we have to put 1 comma. Means if it is 1 crore, 10 crore, it is okay. But here you are getting up to 100 crores. These 3 digits are there now. You are getting up to 100 crores. In this last 3 digits, putting of comma will be changed. Okay. So up to here only, up to lakhs only, not crores. Up to lakhs only, up to 10 lakhs place. This is 10 lakhs place, no? This is 10 lakhs place, no? Up to here only we have to put like this. First 3 digits put 1 comma, next 2 digits put 1 comma, next 2 digits put 1 comma. It is applicable only up to 10 lakhs. After that putting comma will be changed. So again at last what we are getting? 100, 3 digit number we are getting. Here in this period there are 3 digits. For crores putting of comma will be changed. From here you have to understand. That point only clearly. From here only putting of comma for crores will be changed. Up to 10 lakhs, what I said before only, that you have to follow. But from crores it will change. You have to remember. See, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs, what I said, first 3 digits from right to left you have to put 1 comma. Then after 2 digits you have to put 1 comma. After 2 digits you have to put 1 comma. It is applicable only up to 10 lakhs. In crores, after 10 lakhs what you will get? You will get crores now. In crores the putting of commas will be changed. Okay, remember that thing. That's all. Here we have left 3 digits. By the previous process we have to put 1 comma here, but here in this crores, from this 10 digit numbers, from you are having a little bit of change in the crores place. This is 1, tens, hundreds. This is crores period. So here it will change. So you have to follow the previous process up to 10 lakhs only. What I said, 3 digits 1 comma, 2 digits 1 comma, 2 digits 1 comma. But for crores it will change. That one only I am stressing 3-4 times, because you should not do mistakes here. So what is this place? This is crores place, no? You are having 3 digits 1 0 0. This is 100 crores. We will call this as 100 crores in Indian place value chart. But here, see here, in your textbook he has given in table, no? So here in crores I will write it clearly. ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, okay, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Here this will come under crores. In crores also, what you will have? You will have crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. This is crore. He has represented with C. Okay, this is 10 crore, this is 100 crores. Like that it will go on dividing. Okay, so this is 100 crores. This 10 digit number which we got is we call this as 100 crores. In international place value chart, how we will represent that? Let us see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is a 10 digit number, means 9 zeros are there and 1 1. Okay, 9 zeros you are having here. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 zeros you are having in this number. So how you should represent? Is there any change here? Here we saw the change in crores place. In previous class we have discussed to put comma after first 3 digits in Indian place value chart. I am talking about first 3 digits we have to put 1 comma, next 2 digits, next 2 digits. Like that I have said in the previous class. It is applicable only up to 10 lakhs only. After that you are having a change. You have left 3 digits. Okay, you should not put comma here also. That is wrong. You have to observe very carefully. Up to 10 lakhs, what I said previously is correct. But here in crores, it is not correct. From here only the change will start. Okay, remember that carefully. In international place value chart, what happens is, I said previously, first 3 digits put 1 comma, then next 3 digits you have to put 1 comma. Only one process. So then what you have to do? Next 3 digits put 1 comma. This is same as previously only. After 3 digits, from right to left, this is my right, this is my left. No, from right to left, after every 3 digits you have to put 1 comma. That is applicable to every number, but here it is not applicable. The previous process which I said under Indian place value chart is applicable only up to 10 lakhs. Okay, 3 digits comma, 2 digits comma, 2 digits comma. It is applicable only 10 lakhs place only. After that again we are having 3 digits, but we are not putting comma here. So that you have to remember. But here it is the previous process which I said in international place value chart in previous class. It is applicable for every number. See, 3 digits 1 comma, 3 digits 1 comma, from right to left, 3 digits 1 comma. It is applicable, no? So here only, in this part only the change is there. That's why I have rounded it. In this part only the change is there. Observe carefully and don't commit a mistake. Okay, so what is this called? This is ones, tens, hundreds. This is thousands place. This is millions. This is millions place. What is this? This is billion. So we call this number, this is the same number. These two numbers both are same, but the representation is changing. Here we are representing in Indian place value system. Here we are representing in international place value system. Okay, so what is this called? This from here, from here billions, you will get billions. These three are ones, tens, hundreds. This is thousands place, this is millions place. This period is called millions, this is thousands. But from here only you are getting billions. So what is this number called? This is called billion, 1 billion. This number is called 1 billion in international place value system and 100 crores in Indian place value system. But both the values of the numbers are same. This is 10 digit number and this is also 10 digit number. The value is also same. But the naming and the representation is changing here. This one you have to remember carefully. Okay, don't commit a mistake. So from this what we can say? 1 billion, both the numbers are equal and same, no? So what we will call this? 1 billion equal to 100 crores. Is it? 1 billion equal to 100 crores. Okay, this one you have to remember carefully. So there is a fill in the blank beside your 10 digit numbers. Okay, beside 10 digit numbers there is a fill in the blanks. 3 fill in the blanks are there. let us see them. They are in the pink color box. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So what we have to do? We have to fill the blanks. Okay. First one. What is the first one? 1 dash equal to 10 million. So there is, so here he gave, down he gave 1 crore equal to 10 million, 10 crore equal to 100 million. After every, starting from 8 digit numbers, he has given something. I have also said in the previous class, 1 crore equal to 10 million, 100 crore equal 10 crore equal to 100 million, 100 crore equal to 1 billion. So you have to understand them very carefully. So what he gave here, 1 dash equal to 10 million. What is that? Which is suiting here? 1 crore equal to 100 million, 10 million is the answer. Okay. How? 1 crore in Indian place value system is equal to 10 million. Actually 1 million means 10 lakhs. 1 million in international place value system is equal to 10 lakhs in Indian place value system. Both the numbers are same, both the values are same, but we call it differently. Okay, the representation is changing and the number name is changing. We call the same number 1 million and 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means we call this in Indian place value system. 1 million we call it in international place value system. The numbers are same, the values are same, but only representation is changing. Okay, and number names are also changing. So 1 million equal to 10 lakhs, no? 10 million means how much? So 1 million equal to 10 lakhs means 10 lakhs. How we will represent? 1 million, this is 10 lakhs. Okay, this is 10 lakhs. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs, completed. But he said 10 million. Into 10 you have to do, no? 10 millions. How many millions? 10 into million. Million means 10 lakhs. Million means this one. You have to understand very carefully. Million means this one. Here it is 10. We have to multiply, no? Previously we did into 10. What you have to do now? You have to multiply 10 lakhs with 10. What you will get? See, 0, 0 into 0, 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 0, 0 into 1, 0. Okay, next again we have to multiply with 1. 1 into 0, 0. You have to leave one place here. 1 into 0, 0. 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 1 into 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is the number. What we call this? So let us see. He has given in international place value system, no? Means international is given. What we want? We want in Indian. So Indian place value system, what this number is called? Let us see. After 3 digits, put 1 comma. Put comma after 2 digits. Put comma after 2 digits. Like this we have to do. From here, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Up to here, after 10 lakhs, 1 comma. Up to here it is okay. But in crores place, it is changing. Putting comma is changing. Okay. Like that one you have to remember. I have put comma up to 10 lakhs only. After 10 lakhs only I have put 1 comma from right to left. In crores place again it is changing. You have to remember that one. So this is crores place, no? 1 is in crores place. So this number is called 1 crore. From international representation, we have converted that same number into Indian number system. This is Indian, no? That's what he given. He gave in international place value system. So what is the value of that number? What we call that same number in Indian place? We have to find out that. So this is Indian system. We got it as 1 crore. So what is the answer? 1 crore is the answer. Okay, 10 million means what we have to know. First of all, million means 10 lakhs. He has given in international place value system. This is international. Okay, but what we want in Indian. What is that number? We don't know. So million means 10 lakhs. Million means 10 lakhs. How many are there? 10 into 10. You have to multiply and add. You added these two. What you got? You got one number. In which we have to represent that one? In Indian, because in Indian only there is a blank. What is that number? We have to find. So add, you do the multiplication, you have to add, you will get one number, you have to represent in Indian place value system. We have represented that one, we got that number as 1 crore. Okay, like that you have to understand. I am telling it from the roots. Okay, I am telling it from very minute point of view, or else directly you can write. There are small points now after every digit numbers. After 8 digit number, after 9 digit number, after 10 digit number, you are having like this: 1 crore equal to 10 million, 10 crore equal to 100 million, 100 crore equal to 1 billion. Like this it is there. We can directly write 1 crore by saying here 10 million is there, here also 10 million is there. It is matching. So in fill in the blank place, what we have to do, we can write 1 crore, but you should understand it. That's why I have said the whole process. Okay, next one. This is not fourth, this is for fifth. No, this is for fifth. I have mistaken here. This is for fifth. Okay, I wrote wrong. Okay, don't look at the heading or that is for my remembrance. I am writing. You have to concentrate on the concept what I am saying. Okay, there will be small mistakes sometimes. It is not a problem because everyone makes mistakes. Okay, so let us look next one. First fill in the blank only we have completed. Second fill in the blank is what? 10 crore equal to dash million. So we don't know the number in which international system. International system we don't know what we call, but in Indian system that number is called 10 crores. So what you have to do? You have to multiply 10 with crore. 10 crore means how you will write in Indian. This is Indian, no? So write 1 crore. How you will write? This is lakhs, this is thousands, and 3 zeros at last. Okay, this is 1 crore. We will write crore means this one, crore means this number. 10 crores means you have to multiply with 10. Okay, 0 into 0 0, 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 0 into 1 0, all zeros. Leave one place. 1 into 0 0, 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 1 into 1 1. So you have to add. You have multiplied 10 with 1 crore. Here it is 10 crore, no? Means 10 into crore. 10 into this is crore. This is crore. In which? In Indian. You have to multiply and you will get one number. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Okay. Okay. 10 into 1 crore. Okay. 10 into crore. You will get what? 10 crore. This is the 10 crore. Or else directly you can write 10 into crore means 10 crore. No, that number also you have to write. You can write. But I am trying to go from the roots. Very basic thing. 10 into 1 crore. This is 1 crore. 10 into 1 crore. 1 into 10 is how much? 10. So 1 crore into 10, you will get 10 crores. Like that you have to understand. This is what? This is 10 crores. Okay. In crores place only, the representation will change. Up to 10 lakhs. you have to put first 3 digits 1 comma, 2 digits 1 comma, 2 digits 1 comma, up to after 10 lakhs you have to put. After 10 lakhs, up to after 10 lakhs it is okay, but in crores place it will change. Okay, up to here it is okay, up to 10 lakhs place this is correct. After that, if you are getting one more digit here, you should not put comma here in crores place. These 3 digits come under crores place, so you should not do the mistake. Again and again I am saying, so this is 10 crores. This number is called 10 crores in Indian place value system, no? But what we want, once again I am writing, from Indian we have to derive the international number, what we call that, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have multiplicated and we got one number. What is that? We call that as 10 crores in Indian. But what we want in international place value system, no? So after doing the process, we will get one number, no? After multiplication and addition, we will get one number, no? So after multiplication, we will get one number. That one, in which you want in international or Indian, you have to decide, and you have to represent in that form only, because we have to fill this blank. We don't know this one, so that's why in which system we have to represent like this. If we have derived from Indian, we have to get that one in international. So which one we want? Here there is a question mark. We don't know this one. From Indian we have derived. We want in international, no? So we have to represent in international system only, so that we can fill the blank. Okay, 10 crore we got. We have to represent in million. So in international, after 3 digits put 1 comma, after 3 digits put 1 comma. What is this? 10 crore equal to, this is millions place, this is ones, tens, hundreds, this is thousands, this is millions. Okay, what we did, we have multiplied 1 crore into 10. We got one number. We have to represent this number in which form? In which form we want in international, no? That's why it is there, fill in the blank. Fill in the blank is there means we don't know. We have to find out this one only. In international system, what we call this number, we have to find out. So we have to represent in international system only. Then we can fill the blank. Okay. What is there? It is 100 million. So is it correct what I am saying? 10 crore equal to 100 million. We got this, no? This one. 10 crore equal to 100 million. In which form we want? Here blank is there means what is that meaning? What is the meaning? Blank is there means you have to find out this one. You have to find in international place and you have to fill the blank. So where there is, which side there is blank, you have to represent that in that system only. Okay, here blank is there in international place. We don't know what is that number in international place value system. That's why I have represented in international place value system, derived from Indian and represented in international, so that you will get, this is 100 million. Completed. I should not take this much time for your fill in the blanks, but I am saying it because I am telling you from the basic. Okay, from multiplication, from Indian we have derived and we have converted this into international. Both the numbers are same, 10 crore and 100 million, both the numbers are same, but the representation different. So that's why you should not confuse, no? That's why I am saying very clearly. Only remember one thing. Okay, in which form, after doing the multiplication for these type of fill in the blanks, after doing the multiplication, in which form do you want? That form you have to represent the number which you got after the multiplication. That number is there, no? So that number in which form you want? Here you want in international system. That's why here it is there, fill in the blank. Here fill in the blank means you don't know this number, you have to fill, no? Means in that form only you have to represent. Okay, next one, second one is completed. I am taking so much time for this fill in the blanks so that you can understand them very clearly. Okay, I should not take such time. 100 crore is there. So see this one, you will understand what I am saying carefully. If you can't understand, once again see this. 100 crores is there. This is in Indian, no? Crores means you will get Indian. This is international. Okay. Indian, international. In which form you want? You want in international. Okay. So let us see. 100. 1 crore means like this we will represent. Okay. This is 1 crore into 100. You will do. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This one is completed. Next this one. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7 zeros are there, no, in 1 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 minute. I did a mistake, I think. No, it is correct. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there, no? So 8 zeros. Next, because anything multiplied with 0 is 0. So with next 0, you have to multiply this total number. How many digits are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, here you have to leave one place. Here 2 places you have to leave. Okay. We have to multiply with 1. How many digits are there? 8. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 0, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let us see. If you add this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. How much you will get? You will get 100 crores only. Or else you can, instead of doing all this, I am bringing the number form of this 100 crore. It is in words form now. I am bringing this in number form. If you don't want to do this big process, you are fed up with this process, okay? If you can directly write what is 100 crore, 100 crore means like this. This is 100 crore, no? Okay? You know this is 100 crore. If you can directly write 100 crore, you can write. Or else you don't know. 100 into 1 crore. What is that? You don't know. And you can multiply and you will get the same number. 100 crore. This is the 100 crore. That's why read the question very carefully. Directly also you can write. By multiplying also you can write. Okay? 100 crore. This is the smallest trick. Okay? You take out all the commas. 100 crore in Indian form you have represented. You have to represent that in international, no? So you take out all commas and represent in international place value system. What you will get? You will get what? So after 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma. Okay? What is this? 1 billion. How 1 billion? This is ones, tens, hundreds. This is thousands. This is millions. This is billion. Okay? Like this also you can do. Multiplication, if you don't know the number, you can do. Or else if you know the number, you can do it directly. So this is the third one. Second one also I can say in the simple form. What is there? 10 crore, no? 10 crore means like this we can write. This is 10 crore. Directly 10 crore is there, no? You can write directly 10 crore. Take out all the commas. This is in Indian, no? What you have to represent? You have to represent in which form? Which you have to represent? In which form you have to represent? In international form. So you have to represent in international form. Okay? This is thousands. This is ones, tens, hundreds. First period. This is thousands period. This is millions. What you got? 100 million. Like that. Okay? If you don't know, if you are getting confused only, you should do the multiplication. Or else 10 crore, 1 crore. If you can directly write, by this time you have to write. If you can't write, you have to do the multiplication and take out all the commas and represent in which form you want, whether in international or Indian. If you don't know, you have to do like that. If you know what is 10 crore, if you can write 10 crore directly, you have to remove all the commas, write the number, remove all the commas, and you have to represent in which form do you want, whether you want in international or Indian. You have to represent like that. Okay, I have said very lengthy process and very short process. For who don't know that, you have to do it. You have to do it, because if you don't know, you have to struggle, you have to get the answer ultimately. You can do like that. If you know directly, you can write. Okay, so remaining topics we can see in the next class. Okay, I have taken so much time for this because you have to understand it very clearly. From minute you have to understand. That's why I have said it very clearly.